Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going window shopping at IKEA to explore some of the new things they have in 2026. Right away, IKEA is spotlighting lighting this season, from bold chandeliers to boho-inspired pendants and paper globes. This one has a floral organic sculpture. It doesn't just light the room, it becomes part of the decor. Warm textures and natural materials make these lights feel inviting in any space. Convertible kids chairs, such a clever little design. Tilt them and they become a table, flip them back and they're chairs again. This rattan bench at the front of the bed caught my eye. It has hidden storage underneath, perfect for keeping things organized without clutter. And these rattan cushions are versatile too. Use them as a stool or a backrest. Natural textures and sustainable materials are clearly a focus this season. Now we move into something a little more elevated. These new coffee tables with brass frames instantly gives a refined, high-end feel. Sleek metal pairing with a clean tabletop is modern and versatile. This one works beautifully as a side table, and the brass tray cart adds boutique-style luxury, perfect for styling books, candles, or even as a bar cart. IKEA also has smart, functional pieces like this all-in-one shoe rack, bench, and coat rack. Compact, practical, and stylish for your entryway. Stepping into IKEA's Spring and Easter collection, the colors are soft and pastel, pinks and greens that bring a calm, fresh touch to your home. From stem glasses and cups to carafes paired with rattan trays and table mats, the collection feels both sustainable and stylish. Delicate paper decorations resembling Easter eggs add a playful seasonal touch. For a bolder look, IKEA also has vibrant cushions, spring-inspired bedding, and colorful bath towels, a simple way to brighten up your room. And for those celebrating the Lunar New Year, the collection brings festive, joyful decor into your home, stylish and modern while honoring tradition. I just love how IKEA continues to focus on sustainability. It's a beautiful way to bring style and function into your home while caring for the planet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video. Happy shopping!